Know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. You say you want a picture? Alright, so I got the headlights out the heater and I'm separating them now, so make sure you're using gloves because this shit is hot. So yeah.
Yo, YBH.
Yeah, I gotta clean the outside. All right, this is a test run of the Oracle headlights. I just got them. I'm about to hot the wires, but I just wanted to make sure they all running so far. I ran into a little mistake on the, this is my first time installing them, but right here you can see it kind of came off. It might not move, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna go back and fix it though, but I mean, I like the outcome so far. It looked nice to me. Yeah, it's looking good. And we got Todd getting the damn 14 watts on his shit. So, yeah, looking pretty decent. I'm glad to have fucking clear headlights now. That other headlight was messing me up. I did not like that shit. But, yeah, that ain't bad for my first. This is my first time installing some Oracles. So, but I know I'm gonna get better at it. So if y'all want y'all headlights the same, just DM me or whatnot, and I get something set up for you. I sell Oracles as well. So even if you want the Oracle wheel lights, I do the same. I can get those too and install those. Yeah, we got them on. Got the bump on. Look good as hell. Yeah, man.
Yo, YBH.
Alright, this is how they look at night. I turned the brightness down because it's messing with the camera, so, but bro, at night these junks is ridiculously bright. Like, to the point where if you cut your headlights off, you don't need your headlights on. Like, these shit's bright. But I think I did good for my first time ever installing some Oracle, so yeah, this should really change like the whole look of a vehicle, for real, for real. I want to do a little daytime shoot too. Yeah. This shit like a real head turner for like anybody want to do this to their car or truck or whatever. Like, this get a lot of people attention. And then like it got different modes. So like right here, you put it on whatever and it'll I think, me personally, I think purple look good on my car or on my truck. But yeah. And then you can change the speed on it too, like on each setting. Let me see. Yeah. And I still ain't get my spacers put on yet. See, my tires a little uneven right here. They should be on this week though. And you can cut it off. Yep. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here. I'm thinking this gonna be the next thing we start on. While we still working on this, I still got a bunch of stuff coming for this, but we're probably gonna start working on this. I got a little poll going on my social medias right now, and the Camaro winning, so probably gonna end up doing a Camaro. But yeah, so we're gonna end the video right here. Swipe, I'm out of here.